Have you ever wondered what the future of sedans looks like? What if I told you that the 2025 Toyota Camry is set to redefine the standards of design and performance? Stay with us as we explore every angle of this stunning vehicle, from its aggressive front fascia to its sleek rear, and uncover the latest specs and release date. But first, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews and analyses. Starting with the front view, the 2025 Toyota Camry boasts a bold and modern design. The large, prominent grille with the Toyota emblem at the center gives the car a strong presence on the road. The narrow, angular headlights not only enhance the sporty look, but also feature advanced LED technology for superior visibility. Below the grille, the wide air intake adds to the performance-oriented design, suggesting improved aerodynamics and cooling. The sculpted lines on the hood further contribute to the dynamic styling, making the Camry look ready to pounce. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Camry continues to impress with its sleek and sporty design. The narrow, horizontally oriented taillights stretch across the width of the car, giving it a futuristic look. The centrally located Toyota emblem and the Camry model name in capital letters add to the car's identity. The lower part of the bumper features a diffuser with vertical fins, which not only looks great, but also helps manage airflow. Dual exhaust pipes on either side of the rear bumper hint at a performance-oriented engine setup, promising an exhilarating driving experience. The side profile of the 2025 Camry is equally captivating. The streamlined design with sharp lines and curves suggests speed and modernity. The large alloy wheels with a multi-spoke design and low-profile tires add to the sporty appearance. The sleek side mirrors with integrated turn signals enhance both style and functionality. The gently sloping roofline towards the rear not only improves aerodynamic efficiency, but also gives the car a coupe-like silhouette. Overall, the side view highlights a perfect blend of elegance and sportiness. Now, let's talk about the release date. The 2025 Toyota Camry is expected to hit the showrooms in the second half of 2024. Toyota has been tight-lipped about the exact date, but industry insiders suggest a late summer release. So, mark your calendars and get ready to experience this marvel in person. Finally, let's talk about pricing and trims. The 2025 Camry is expected to be available in several trims, including the base LE, the sporty SE, the luxurious XLE, and the performance-oriented XSE. Pricing is anticipated to start around $25,000 for the base model, with higher trims and hybrid variants commanding a premium. Keep an eye out for official pricing announcements as we get closer to the release date. The 2025 Toyota Camry is set to redefine what we expect from a sedan, combining bold design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a sporty ride, the new Camry has something to offer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews and analyses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.